Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix crash when viewing Teams on Ladder. So if your app crashes when you open or view Teams, it's usually caused by a corrupted cache, a bad app updates, or a data sync issue with your account, not your phone hardware as well. So actually guys, you will need just to first close the app as the quick or the first fix. Okay, so actually guys, to do that you will need just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe the other way completely. Okay, and now just wait 10 to 15 seconds and reopen it, right? And then try the Teams again. So if it crashes again, you will need then to restart your phone, and that's the second step. So restart clears temporary memory issues that often trigger crashes. So just turn your phone off, wait 10 to 15 seconds and turn it back on, and then open Ladder. Check. Okay, so if the issue is still going on, you will need to check for an update. So just go with your Google or Apple App Store right there, and then just tap on your profile picture, profile icon that's located at the top right corner here. Okay, so once you tap it, you will need just to scroll down till you can see or find Ladder app. So here, and then just go and tap on update next to it if available, of course. And guys, don't forget to check your internet connection. So swipe down from the top right corner of your phone and tap and hold this section or this tab, and here try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, disable VPN, and open the browser to confirm the connection is stable, so we connection can crash data heavy screens. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.